Hello people and welcome back to DashCam channel. Today we prepared something a bit different. In today's episode, you'll watch some close calls on driver's GoPro, so make sure to enjoy this one. Impatient driver lost his cool with a cyclist there and he nearly clipped him as he passed him by. Mazda driver thought that it would be a good idea to pull out in front of the camera who was going 40 miles per hour. Never do that, guys. Please, avoid making these mistakes. In this video, we had somewhat of a road rage situation in which a reckless driver cuts in front of the camera, blocks them off, and then uses his hand motion, harassing them as well.
Turn right into the parking lot.
Yeah, you gotta watch him. Oh.
In this video, the camera prepared a collection of bad drivers doing bad things caught on his dashcam, so make sure to pay close attention at all of these mistakes. A lot of drivers in this video don't use turn signals at all while making a lane change, not to mention checking their side view or rear view mirrors for that matter. Try your best to avoid repeating the same mistakes. Whatever you may do in traffic, please try your best and avoid driving like this Escalade driver here. This is a prime example of an impatient driver in traffic. It's not that difficult to spot them, and whatever you do, we would always recommend you to keep a safe distance, because being too close can get you involved as well. Stopping at a green light is a big no-no, and no one expects you to do that, and in this situation the camera almost rear-ended a crazy guy.
On clearance, you can save up to 60% on select mattresses. Plus, score a free adjustable base on qualifying purchases. Here's to better sleep in 2024. The right mattress matters, and Mattress Firm will find yours. I'm Mark Z in Togo Traffic.
Invisible? Jesus Christ. Idiot.
In this video I will have an erratic driver who nearly caused an accident by speeding, but the worst part about this video is that he got stuck at the next traffic lights just like the rest of the drivers he overtook. The driver with the trailer was acting like a madman on the road, and it's actually not that difficult to notice it. He dangerously cut right in front of the camera, nearly hitting him with his trailer. The lady pulled out in front of the biker without bothering to turn her head left or right to check if it's safe first. These moves can be really costly, but luckily this time an accident was avoided. And with this video, we conclude another amazing episode on DashCam channel. I hope you guys enjoyed in this collection of close calls. Make sure to leave a like if you truly like this type of content, because that will really mean the world to us. And also write me down in the comments if you'd like to see something more or similar like this. Of course, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell button to stay notified to all the latest episodes we put out. Until the next one, drive safe and take care, guys.